Hello everyone. Here are the 5 reasons why you should never take her back after the breakup, or after she just dips out to go do whatever she wants to do. Number 1, she thought less of you, bro. The first point is simple but difficult to accept. If a woman ends the relationship because she believes something better is out there, she has made a decision to leave. She may want to explore new experiences, meet a new man, or simply see what else life has to offer. Sometimes that journey doesn't turn out the way she expected, and she eventually tries to return. However, the decision to leave can permanently change the dynamic of the relationship. Even if feelings remain, the trust and mutual respect may no longer be what they once were. When you immediately welcome her back without addressing what happened, you may unintentionally communicate that your boundaries can be ignored. Healthy relationships require respect from both people, not just affection. 2. The relationship won't be the same. A breakup changes things. Once two people separate and begin living independent lives, both gain new experiences that can reshape how they view the relationship. Whether someone spends that time dating others, focusing on themselves, or simply enjoying single life, the reality is that both partners are no longer the same people they were before. Trying to recreate the relationship exactly as it once was is rarely realistic. The history of the breakup doesn't simply disappear, and rebuilding trust often requires much more than picking up where things left off. 3. Strong boundaries build self-respect. If someone ends the relationship and later returns only after discovering that life outside the relationship wasn't what they expected, accepting them back without careful consideration may send a message that there are no real consequences for leaving. Respect is often built by standing by your principles rather than making decisions purely based on emotions. A person who values themselves is willing to walk away from situations that no longer align with their standards. 4. Walking away leaves a lasting impression. Sometimes the most memorable person is the one who didn't chase after someone who left. When you accept the breakup, continue improving yourself, and move forward with your life, your absence can become far more noticeable than constant attempts to win someone back. If the other person eventually realizes they made the wrong decision, they'll understand that the opportunity was lost because of the choices they made, not because of bad luck or unfortunate timing. Holding your ground also reinforces that you expect to be treated with consistency and respect. 5. You develop an unshakable mindset. Perhaps the biggest benefit of moving on is the personal growth that follows. Instead of focusing your energy on whether an ex returns, you begin investing that energy in yourself. You work on your career, improve your finances, build your physical health, and become a stronger version of yourself. As your confidence grows, your happiness becomes less dependent on any one relationship. Whether someone stays or leaves no longer determines your self-worth. You start approaching future relationships with a healthier mindset. Rather than chasing people who are uncertain about you, you naturally gravitate toward those who genuinely value your time and effort. At the end of the day, there are countless opportunities to meet new people. Instead of dwelling on someone who chose to walk away, keep moving forward, continue improving yourself, and leave the past where it belongs. Your energy is better spent building the future you want than trying to recreate a relationship that has already ended.